the Vesuvio, a volcano close to Naples, Italy, southern Italy, erupted and covered all the cities around. Not only did it bury the people who could not escape, but also artifacts such as bread that was baked at the time. With the help of modern archaeology, we were able to uncover all kinds of artifacts. And here is a loaf of bread, which we're gonna try to get a replica of. Something curious that we noticed was that the bread had this indentation on the side. Most probably, the indentation was caused by the string attached. They would place something like this onto the string and carry it more easily to market. Who knows? Just an idea.